Hi friends, welcome back to your favorite channel Art to Beat. Hope you are fine and doing well. Today I am going to show you latest stylish and beautiful designer earrings designs. These earrings are stylish in look and comfortable to wear in parties and outings. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel Art to Beat and click on bell icon for channel updates. Party wear and designer earrings are in trend these days. Women love to wear different varieties of earrings in different occasions as it is the most favorite accessory for them. A beautiful pair of designer earrings will alter overall look and makes women look more gorgeous. Women always update their wardrobe with beautiful and fashionable accessories in order to be with trend. Here in this video, we are showing you the stylish designer earrings designs which can be used as casual wear and also party wear. It is always tough job for women to choose the right pair of earrings for the attire and occasion. Here we are trying to make your job easy by sharing latest beautiful and trendy earrings designs. Everyone who loves fashion has to go through this video for new and updated earring ideas. Art2Beat channel is for fashion lovers who want to update their fashion with the trend. In my channel, we provide you latest trendy designs and updated fashion trends, especially for girls and women on clothing and accessories. Different types of latest designer earring ideas are showcased in this video. Please go through all the beautiful and unique earring designs in this video. Please subscribe my channel Art2Beat if not yet subscribed. I hope you liked the designer earring design ideas in this video. Give your valuable feedback in the comment section below the video. Please do like and share the video with your friends.